My name is Laura Salinas. I'm a startup solutions architect working with machine learning customers. It will be my 4th year at AWS this coming August. So I was studying computer engineering at Boston University, and then I was recruited to the AWS TechU program, which hires students, recent graduates, and trains them for 6 months into a technical role. So the TechU program has been growing really rapidly over the past couple of years. I was part of the 3rd cohort in the United States to go through the program. So we were a group of 30 recent college graduates, and it's basically sprint work learning. So it's very similar to being back in college. So you're learning for 6 months, being taught by other professionals in the field, going through demo days, and really putting that working muscle into practice every day and trying to understand customer conversations, trying to understand the product. Some folks might not have any cloud experience at all, so TechU as a program will also teach you the fundamentals of AWS Cloud. But yeah, it was a fantastic program, and there's now cohorts all over the world, so it's a very busy program. When you come out of TechU, you're what's called an associate solutions architect. You come in as an entry-level employee, and then you're placed with the team, usually with the entry-level team, so you're handling some maybe lower-level engagements with customers. And then as you continue to grow and kind of demonstrate an affinity for one area or another, you kind of can point that into different directions and maybe try out a different role, or go on for a different team that supports different types of customers, and the like. So what led me to machine learning was really just an interest in leaving my comfort zone. So when I graduated from the TechU program, I was working mostly with enterprises in a space where they're new to the cloud, so it's very entry-level conversations, mostly teaching folks what the cloud is and how to adopt AWS services. But I quickly kind of outgrew that, the pace of that work, and became interested in wanting to do something a little bit more challenging, a little bit more cutting edge, and stumbled upon this machine learning team that works specifically with startups, and that's where I've been for the past year and a half.